we can write as a mu r is equal to b by mu naught into h. So then substitute the values. So if I substitute the values, b is equal to 1. So therefore, mu r is equal to 1 by mu naught value. Already we know that 4 pi into 10 to the power of minus 7 into h value. So 714.28. So if you are simplified, then finally we are getting the mu r value as 1114. So this is the answer we obtained for the given problem. So first what we are doing here, according to our problem, is given a circular core. So from the circular core, it is bounded by means of a 500 turns of coil, and the current is passing through that coil is a 2 amperes, and is given the mean length. The mean length of the core is given as a 140 centimeters. Diameter. If it is given in the diameter, then we convert into the length. So how can we convert? So which formula we can use? So those things will be discussed when we go through that type of problem, right? So directly is given L is the 140 centimeters. So we convert into meters. Next, area is given centimeters. We convert into meters. We are write as usually N value. So and I value is given as a 2 amperes. So then we want to find out the mu r value. So we want to find out the relative permeability of the material. Cross section area also is given. So direct cross section area also is given. A value is given in the problem. So all data will be sufficient to calculate the mu r value. So which formula we can select? So that will be essential. So if you know the basic formulas, so B is equal to mu into H. So from that formula we can easily calculate the mu r value. So here mu is equal to mu naught into mu r. So this formula will be sufficient. But how can possible? So there is a need to calculate the density value as well as the force value. So to find out the density value, first we know the formula for B. So with respect to the pi value. So pi value also given in the problem. So because of that reason, this formula will be we are selecting. So then B is equal to pi by A. Pi we are substituting the pi value. Pi value is a 1.2 into 10 to the power of minus 3, and A value is a 1.2 into 10 to the power of minus 3. So then we are getting the value as 1. So that is the B value. Next, what we want to find out? We find out the H value. So already we know that to find out the H value, so the alternative formula is the Ni by L. So N is the 500, I is the 2 amperes, and L value is the 140 into 10 to the power of minus 2. So if we are substituting that value, and if we are simplified, we are getting the value of H is equal to 714.28 ampere turns per meter. So we find out the B value and H value. Already we know the mu naught value. Mu naught value is the 4 pi into 10 to the power of minus 7. So that is a constant, right? So we know the all values. What formula we have used? B is equal to mu naught mu r H. So mu r equivalent to B by mu naught into H. We substitute the B value, mu naught and H value. So B is the 1, mu naught is the 4 pi into 10 to the power of minus 7, and H value is the 714.28. If you are simplified, so finally we are getting the value as mu r is equal to 1114. So there is no unit because mu r is a constant. So because of that reason, there is no unit can be obtained here. Ledu manamala endukante Webers. So here we are getting the Webers per meter square. So here we are getting the ampere turns per meter. So they both get cancelled. There is finally no units can be obtained. So this is a simplification we want to do for a given core material. So what is the length? Sometimes maybe ask the length. All data will be given. So it is not given the length value. So we want to find out the length. So sometimes all data will be given. So there is a need to find out the pi value. So how can we find out the pi value? So this formula will be we are using, right? So for example, he given the density. So in this problem is given the density, B value is given, area is given. So we want to find out the phi value. So simply with the help of this formula, so we are substituting the B value and A value. So then phi is equal to B into A, we are getting the value. So that formula will be we are using. So sometimes maybe given the density and we want to find out the strength, field strength. So H value. So here is given, the N value is given, I value is given, L value is given. So we can easily find out the H value. So most of the cases, this type of questions may be asked for the 3 marks. So within a few steps. So within a few minutes, the problems will be clear. So this is a one type of model. Next, the second type of model may be asked for the air gap. So up to here, only we discussed about there is no air gap will be given. Sometimes, so for example, this is a circular conductor, core we are selecting here. For example, if there is any air gap is there, if there is any air gap is there, so this type of problems also may be asked. So here what will be happen, the field strength will be changes. So from here to here, the flux will be having a one magnitude. In the air gap, it is having the another magnitude. So that type of problems also may be asked in the examination. So what we do at that case is nothing but, so we want to find out the two things. So first we find out the field strength of the core material. Then after we find out the field strength of the air gap. Air gap lo unna manaku cross section area istadu, main length is given, and density also is given. So based on the given data, so we want to find out the density as well as the field strength at the air gap. So then we are summarize the two things. So first we find out the field strength, density, whatever the flux is given, we want to find out. All things will be, we are calculating up to this area. So then finally we are calculating for this area also. Then the total strength, for example, just we are assuming this is a H1. So this is represented with Hg. Hg is nothing but air gap we are assuming as a Hg. So what is the total field strength? H is equal to H1 plus Hg. Similarly, flux density. For example, we are assuming the density is a B1. Here the density is a Bg. What will be happen? B is equal to the total density is a B1 plus Bg. For example, flux we are assuming this is a phi1, this is a phi g. What is the total flux? Phi is equal to phi1 plus phi g. For example, there is a reluctance. Reluctance is nothing but opposition property of the magnetic material. We are assuming as this is S1 and this is a Sg. So what is the total reluctance? S is equal to S1 plus Sg. That's it. Simple. So in previous problem we are calculating for the entire core because there is no air gap is provided. But for example, if any air gap will be provided for the core material, so we are calculating for that area also. So in the problem lo మనం ఏదైతే calculate చేస్తామో సేమ్ అలాగే ఇక్కడ మనము terms అనేది తీసుకుంటాం. So maybe not ask about, just we want to find out the ampere turns or reluctance value, maybe we find out. So those things will be we want to find out for the air gap problems, right? So that problems will be we will think. Okay, ఒక ప్రాబ్లం చూద్దాం ఆ బేసిస్ మీద. The problems are not complicated, those are very simple, but we know the formula. So which formula will be helpful, those things will be important. important. Okay, once see about the problem. An iron ring of mean length. So mean length is directly given, that is 50 centimeters. So mean length L is given as a 50 centimeters. Has a air gap. So a ring is given, it has an air gap. The air gap is a 1 mm. So means that is the here assuming as a Lg is equal to 1 mm. 1 mm of gap is provided and a winding of 200 turns. So it is having the 200 turns. So N is equal to 200 turns. If the permeability of the iron is 300, so permeability value also is given, that is 300. So mu R value is given as a 300. Next, when a current of 1 ampere flows through the coil, so there is a current is flowing, I is equal to 1 ampere is flowing through the coil. Find out the flux density. Find out the flux density. Flux density is nothing but we want to find out the B value. B is equal to what? So this is our problem. So if you draw the diagram for this, a circular core or ring core is given. So this is the air gap is provided. Air gap is a 1 mm. And the remaining mean length is a 50 centimeters. Remaining mean length is a 50 centimeters. Means total the length is a 51 centimeters. So that is the data is given. Right? So what we want to find out? So B value we should be find out. So how it is possible? There are several formulas will be available. B is equal to mu into H value. Mu into H. Mu into H. B is equal to mu into H. This will be sufficient. So because if we are find out the H value, mu already we know that mu naught into mu R. Mu naught value already given, we know that 4 pi into 10 to the power of minus 7. So here mu R value already is given as a 300. So already mu value will be determined. So we want to find out only for the density, B value. So for that reason we want to find out the H value. So already we know the formula for H. So what is the formula we are using? H is equal to B by mu. From this only. H is equal to B by mu. So with the help of this formula, so we want to calculate the thing. So how can possible? First we find out the ampere turns. So ampere turns find out చేస్తే H value వస్తుంది. So వాటన్నిటి మనం సింప్లిఫై చేస్తే B value అనేది మనము డిటర్మైన్ చేస్తూ ఉంటాం. So first we want to find out the H value for core as well as the air gap also. So these two things will be essential. So just we are modifying the formula. B is equal to mu into H. So that implies H is equal to B by mu. So B by mu. So that is the formula we are using. We don't know the B value. So at the same time we have the mu naught value. So what is the mu naught value is here? 4 pi into 10 to the power of minus 7. So just we are assuming the air gap is a Hg. Hg is equal to formula B by mu naught. So mu naught into mu r. So already we know that values of those things. Right. So here, in case of air gap, there is no material is provided. So there is no conducting media. Air will be acting as a conducting media. So instead of there, we are taking as a 1. So then the formula is become B by mu naught. So that is the field strength in the air gap. So next we want to find out the ampere turns. Already we know that ampere turns per air gap is equal to H into L. So the air gap that is indicated as a Hg into Lg. So Hg value, what is the Hg value? B by mu naught into Lg. So B by mu naught into Lg. So if the value is given, yes, it is given. So we convert into meters. 1 into 10 to the power of minus 3 meters. Here 50 into 10 to the power of minus 2 meters. So those things will be need to convert. So then if you are substituting the values of Hg and Lg, so what is the Lg value is there? B by mu naught. Mu naught value is the 4 pi into 10 to the power of minus 7 into Lg value is the 1 into 10 to the power of minus 3. So then finally we are getting the value as 795.795 into B. So this is the ampere turns per air gap. Right, it is clear? So first listen carefully. So he is given a core material, ring material. It is having a air gap. So what is the length of air gap? It is a 1 mm. What is the mean length of core? That is a 50 centimeters is given as a core mean length. So next, what is the data is given? Number of turns we are provided is a 200 turns. Mu value is given. Mu value for the ring is a 300. Already we know that mu value for air gap is a 1. Mu is equals to, we are right as a 1. Next, current is given. 1 ampere current will be flowing through that coil. So next, we want to find out the B value. We want to find out the B value. So to find out the B value, we have the one formula that is equal to B is equal to mu into H. So from that we can easily find out, because if you are finding out the H value, so already mu value is given in the problem. So mu value 300 for core material, mu value is 1 for air gap. So already we know the constant. Next we know the mu naught value also. Mu naught is the 4 pi into 10 to the power of minus.
बाबा फोन करते हैं. हेलो. हाँ हाँ पहुँचा. हाँ चल रखता हूँ मैं.
Ampere turns. Ampere turns value is a constant value. So that we want to find out. So to find out that thing, so that is the, we know the formula. Ampere turns is equal to H into L. So this is for the air gap. That's why we are assuming as a G, Hg and Lg. Hg value what is? B by mu naught. Next Lg. So Lg value is given in the problem. Is given as a 1 mm. We convert into meters. 1 into 10 to the power of minus 3. So that we substituting here. Mu naught value already we know that 4 pi into 10 to the power of minus 7. So then the equation is become B by 4 pi into 10 to the power of minus 7 into 1 into 10 to the power of minus 3. So then we are getting the value of air gap. So 795.795 into B. So this is we are assuming as a equation 1, that is for the air gap. So next we want to find out for the core material. So same formula. Then it applies. So here the core material. So core material we are assuming as a iron. It is made up of iron because of that reason. So we are indicating it